What's up, everybody? Today's video is going to be about unboxing an Amazon package that I received today. Something I've been wanting for a few months now. So let's open it up. Hope everybody's having a good day today. If anybody is new to this channel, welcome to my channel. At least they packaged the box. At least they taped the box up really good. Okay, got some bubbly. I think what's bubble wrap? No, not bubble wrap. This is like pillow wrap or something. Pretty cool. Okay. Nothing else in the box. Oh, there we go. Comes open like this. Okay. All right. We got a. Let's see. I think this is Type C USB cable. Okay. I believe you could charge Android phones up with this, as long as it's got a as long as it's got I think a Type C connector. Okay, you can see that. All right, so that got another long white box here. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow. Pretty cool. It's a little baby tripod. It's a little baby tripod. Look how cute that is. Look how cute that is. It's got I think a quarter inch threading on top where you can put like a light on it or GoPro or anything else or like another type of camera. Okay. It's actually kind of cute. It really is. It's kind of. Oh, okay. And this right here, if you could see that, right here, yeah, it's like a little handle. And this, if you see that, it actually bobbles around. See, it bobbles around. It goes in all different directions, and then you just you hold it right here. You hold the base. And then you basically tighten it up carefully, and then it stops it from wobbling. Huh? It's really cute. Huh? Really cute. It's I don't know, probably maybe 3 inches, maybe 4 inches at the most. It's cute. Okay, so that's that. Okay, here. All right. So nothing else in the box. Okay, this is a bicolor vlog light W64. Right, you can see that right there. So, right there. Okay. On the back of it, gives you some details. You can see that. Okay. I will put the information that's on the back of this box up in the corner right over here. So if anybody's if you couldn't see it or whatever, if you couldn't see the information here, I'll put it up here in the corner. Okay, picture up here in the corner so you can see it. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay. Alright. Got a let's see. If you can see that. It's a W64 light. It's okay, so this side right here is Chinese, and if you turn it over, this side is English. Okay. It just lists. Okay, you can see that. Okay, around, same thing. I don't know if you can. I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay, so it's that. Okay, here's the actual lighting. I love this bubble wrap, man. I really, honestly do love this bubble wrap. Kind of a, I guess you would say, kind of amazing. It's like, it's kind of amazing how that pops. But anyway, okay. So let's get a delay here. Okay, this is let's see here, to charge it. Okay, is right here. Okay, and there is four. Looks like four little dots. Okay, I would assume that that's the that's where the battery indicator is to to let me know when the battery needs to be recharged, because it's I believe it's a 850 milliamp hour battery in this. Got a wheel here, and this is a mount to mount it on a like a camera GoPro. So I actually have my GoPro Hero 6 here. Okay, let's see if I can turn it on. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay, and here is the power button. Power button's right there. That's where the power button is. Sorry, right there. Okay, let's turn it on. I don't know if it's got any charge into it. Looks like it doesn't look like it even has any charge. Nope. I'm pressing the power button and to turn it on, and nothing's even happening. Nope, nothing's even happening. So I think the battery is battery's dead in it. So, all right. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop this video, and then I'll charge it up for a little bit. Okay, hopefully just enough so I can turn it on to show the different light functions. Okay, the charging cable came with it. I took my Samsung adapter, okay, and I plugged it all in, and this is what it is. Okay, as you can see right there, it's charging, so that's one of the reasons why it doesn't work. So it's gonna have to charge off for a little while. It's gonna have to charge up for a little while, and I guess as soon as each light stops, stops flashing, I guess, as it's as it's taking charge. Okay, and the battery starts getting full. Okay, so yeah, had to take time to charge it up. So I got one battery bar. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. All right, so the power button is right there. Push the power button. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to put it on top of my GoPro. Okay, on top of the GoPro. Alright, so here it is. So this one right here is for, the one I'm tapping is for dim. Right. Okay, so this one right here, this one's for CT, I think stands for contrast. This one right here stands for dim. Now I'm going to take the dim one, okay? I'm going to hold it. So this one is dim. Watch what I'm going to do. See, it goes brighter, okay? And you get, and it's basically a wheel. So you turn the, so you basically put your finger on the wheel. Turn it to the left. It goes dim. Bring it towards bring the wheel all the way towards the right, and it makes it go brighter. Okay. So now this one right here is contrast. Okay. So this can go like this. So this can go like, I think, like a soft white. or is that just, or it could be just a white. You bring it all the way down, and there it is. This is a soft light. Okay, bring it all the way up, and it does that. Okay, so you can also you can turn the dial left, right, to however you want it. So if you're vlogging or you're doing a video or something like that, where like outside and it's dark, or if you have not enough light and you're doing a vlog or a video, you turn this on, and then you basically just you turn it to however you see, to however like I would see fit, to however I want it. Okay, so let's say I want it like that, and now I turn it. Whoa, that's really bright. Then I turn it down, it's soft. Okay, so yeah, so it's soft. Actually, it's really soft. Cool. So, yeah. So, what I'm going to do is take it off. Wiggle it off a little bit. Okay, if you could see that, right. Let me see if I turn the camera light up on the camera. Okay, see that red light lit up right. Oh, hold on, sorry. See that red light lit up. All right, so there's 4 more of these that have to be lit up when it's fully charged. So it's actually, yeah. All right. So it's 4 red dots, or so 4 red lights. Steady, that means it's fully charged. Right now it's only like between 10 to 20% charged. Okay, so as I use the light, okay, if it's 4 red dots, which means fully charged, as I use it, okay, the dots go down. So otherwise, that's it. It's actually not the, it's actually so it's actually not that bad of a fill light. Okay, of course I haven't used it outside or not, but it's actually not that bad a light, and you know, dimmable. Yep. So, yep. So that's it. Well, well, everybody, that's it for this video. So, if you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you could subscribe, it'd really help me out a lot. And that's it for now. Peace.